Good morning, students. This is my third video of digital documentation. In this video, you will know how to edit an image. Editing can be done in many ways. Cropping image, resizing image, rotating a picture, creating drawing object, set or change property for drawing object, and the last one, resizing a drawing object. These all topics I am going to cover in this video. So first of all, I will go to Open Office Writer. Okay, so here first let me minimize this one, and then I will go to Open Office. Okay, Open Office software has come on the screen. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to work on my text document because as writer is there. So first of all, I will go to writer, then I will insert the image. Okay, so first of all, I will choose view. Okay, and then toolbars, and then picture. I have to search where is picture. Yeah, picture has come. Now, after doing this, you will get this toolbar on the writer document. Okay. Now, first of all, I have to insert an image. So I will click on from file and then choose a file. Suppose networking operating system. This is an image. Now, this image has come on the screen. Now, first of all, you have to know which type of work that can be done on image. See, I can increase the size of the image. I can decrease the size of the image. And now, increasing and decreasing can be done in different ways. Yes, in upward direction, then click and drag it. Left side, then click and drag it. If inward you will do, then the size of the image will be decreased. So it is up to you which way, but don't try to, yes, expand this picture more. Otherwise, your picture will not be visible nicely. Clear? Okay. Now, my first part, that is a filter. How you are going to filter this image? There you have different options. Suppose I have taken aging. Click on this. This dialog box will appear. Now, what will be the degree for that one? You can decide yourself. Okay. It is up to you. You can see your picture is going to be changed, my dear, the quality of the picture. Okay. Now, the next part is your graphics mode. Okay. Here, which type of work you want to do with your picture, black and white. Black and white, you can go it. Okay, watermark you can do. It is up to you. But you have to say it, overall, you have to say it. Okay, that which picture will be good for me. Here, I selected the watermark, but it is not good. When I will use, when I have taken this one picture as the background, not the foreground. Okay, now, so I will take it as default. Now, the next one is the color. Now, you want to mix your color, it is up to you. Red should be more. You can do it. Okay, next one, green. You can see it is up to you. What the mixture that you want to apply. Okay, like this you can do it. Okay. Now, the next part, that is your transparency. What you want, that you can decide it by the help of percentage. Okay. Now, next one is flip horizontally. That means if you want to, yes, turn your image, yes, in a horizontal way. That means the left side will become as the right side, and the right side will become as the left side. Just you see. Now you can see it. It has been flipped. Okay, same way you can do for your horizontal also. Okay, just now you can see, watch it carefully. Horizontally it has been, yes, flipped. This one also. Okay, now it is up to you which way you want to do your work. Okay, now I want again the image to be inserted. Now this time I will take another picture. Okay, now you watch it. Just watch it carefully. Yes, here it is written. Let me increase the size. Okay, here it is written symmetric. Yes, a processing. Next one is memory management. Let me increase more that I can read it. Okay. Now, when I am going to click on the flip horizontally, watch it carefully. What happened? Your left one has gone to the right one. As per that, your text also has been displayed. You cannot be able to read it because your left one has become as the right one. Like you have seen the mirror, same way you can do this one vertically also. Down one, up will come, up one will become as down. Now, the next part, that is how to rotate this. How to rotate either in anti-clock or clockwise direction. For this, you must have to take this picture to drawings, to drawing software. Okay, so I'm going to select copy because in this rotating facility is not given. So I will copy this one and then I will click on file, then new, and then the drawing one. Now this software has come, I will paste it. Now at the bottom you can see it is showing the rotate. Just you watch it carefully. Here, okay, I'm going to do this work. Yes, so from, yes, the toolbar. Now watch it. Now is it rotated? Which way I want to rotate it? Yes, that way I can have the movement. Clear? Now once you have done it, you cut from here. Okay, and then go to again the same application. This is the earlier one, so I will remove it and I will paste it. Just you see, your image has been rotated or not. Yes. So I hope you have understood these all topics which will let you how to modify the image in your document. Thank you, my dear.